Hi there, it's tulip bulb planting time. Shouldn't really do it any earlier than November, or you run the risk of getting something, a nasty little disease called tulip fire, which ruins them. So I've got a pot here, and it's absolutely full of compost that's been had a lot of vermiculite and grit added to it because they don't like sitting in soggy soil. And I've got two sorts of tulip bulb here. These ones are called Queensway, which are a double orange colour. And I am just going to spread them out quite widely, tucking them into the soil like that, pushing them down firmly. And the reason I'm leaving quite big gaps between them is that I'm going to interplant them with another kind called brown sugar. So those are orange doubles. These are a lovely caramel colour, and they also have a lovely sweet scent. So I shall interplant my brown sugar tulips with the Queensway ones, and hopefully they'll all come up together. And that's important. Just sort of check that if you're going to interplant tulips, that they will come up at the same time. Otherwise, you rather miss the boat. Sometimes they're very early, and sometimes they're very late, and you might not get the combination of colours. When I've put all of my bulbs in, I shall cover them with a lot more compost to about three times the depth of each bulb. So it'll come right up to here, really quite deeply, and water it. And then I'm going to put that over the top to stop the squirrels from digging them up. And I might just weight it down with a stone or a brick over the winter so that it doesn't get blown away. And in the springtime, we'll have some fabulous tulip colour to look forward to.